Good afternoon! Welcome to my first ever vlog. I've done these on TikTok before, but I've never done one on YouTube, so I'm probably going to be really awkward. But I thought it would be a good one to do because I'm actually going to see Billie Eilish. I'm so excited. My amazing brother gave me... This is why I wear this top every single time I do my makeup. Anyway, my brother got me tickets to see Billie Eilish. I am going with his girlfriend, Han. So we are going to be going to Salvi's, like I said before, for some food and drinks. To be honest, I'm really happy that today is the day that we're going to watch Billie Eilish because I've had a bit of a morning. I was going to vlog going for my smear test, but I am happy that I didn't, but not for the reasons you would think. Smear test wise, guys, it didn't hurt at all, not one bit. So this morning there I was in the shower, washing everything, shaving everything, making sure it was absolutely beautiful. There's only so much that you can do to make that area beautiful, but anyway, as a nurse I can actually say as well, I've seen a fair share of vaginas in my time and I cannot remember what a single one of them looks like. I should have known that I didn't need to put as much effort in as I did, but you know, we all have our insecurities. So by the time I got out of the shower, I looked at the time and I had showered for way too long and I had 15 minutes to get dressed and get down to the doctor's. So I got to the doctor's office. I was a little bit flustered and it was a female nurse. She was amazing. Put me on the bed and talked me through everything. I can honestly say it did not hurt one bit. So the only reason that I'm happy that I didn't vlog it is because she said to me, "Did you say you had the coil?" And I said, "Yes." And then she said, "I can't see your strings anymore." Honestly, if something like this was going to happen, it would happen to me. In our family, we say that we have the Barnes curse. If something can happen, it will happen if you're a Barnes. So basically, what has happened is it's lost. They're probably going to do a scan to see if the coil is actually still in situ. And if it is, they are going to have to remove it via surgery. But anyway, life goes on. YOLO. I'm not Googling it. Anyway, should we talk about some more fun topics? At the moment, I've been watching Stranger Things. I'm up to episode 6. I am so happy they are coming out with season 5 because I thought season 4 was going to be the last one. I usually hate horrors. I'm so scared of them, but Stranger Things is an exception. I will allow myself to be scared for Stranger Things. This is my new favourite lippy, by the way. It is Kim KW by Charlotte Tilbury. I saw a TikTok the other day that said your perfect lip shade is supposed to be the colour of your nipples, which this colour is very similar to the colour of my nipples. And I truly believe it is my perfect lip shade. So makeup is done. I'm going to go and do my hair off camera. I'm literally just going to do bouncy curls. I just want to do it off camera so I can be a bit quicker because I literally have about 15 minutes. And then we'll be on our way to Hans and then heading into Manchester to see Billie Eilish and get some food and drinks. So it should be fun. I'm so excited. I think I've got 2 odd lashes on. Oh well, I'm not that bothered. I'm so excited. Hello. Hey guys, obviously had to get an Aperol because we are in Salvi's. I think it's Aperol Italian. I just assume it is because it's all that me and Mel drank in Rome, but it is so nice. The Aperol here is so nice now. Sorry, I've got my face. Gorgeous girls, get Aperol. We did book a table for, was it 6?
No, we booked a table for 5:30 and we arrived here at 6:15.
We were very late, but they still gave us a little table at the side.
I'm taking over. Am I taking over the vlog? You are. Hello. We ordered our pasta. I opted for gnocchi because I feel like gnocchi is like one of my favourite things in the world. What did you get again? Burrata.
Pomodoro pasta.
Yeah, and burrata, which I'm actually quite jealous of, and I will be stealing the burrata.
Of course, the whole burrata.
Literally. The plate will arrive and I will just go.
Imagine if it's just like one little slice of burrata.
Literally. And it's for me.
It came so fast and we do have a load of, what's the cheese called? Burrata. What did you get? You got your gnocchi.
Got my mozzarella gnocchi.
Oh my god. we were like, what song's this? Okay, let's go to the toilet now whilst we do another song. And then we were both like, because it was song you knew, wasn't it? We needed it. We used, yay! Absolutely gorgeous.
Alright, can I get a plant meal, please?
This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Who's that sexy thing I see over there? What are you gonna get? Go on, you can dig in. It's a tasting. Are you helping? Are you helping us build our furniture? George is doing the drawers and I am doing the picture frames. We're just going to ignore this entire area for now. So please ignore all of this here. Obviously we have been building today, but anyway, fit is from Urban Outfitters. I forgot that. Then I just have my jeans from Misguided, and then I'm gonna put my Vans on once again. We are going to drive to Hanny's and we're gonna meet Hanny and Dan. So excited to see you. Hello everyone, we are now in the car. I can finally start the vlog. I have had a blooming lovely day, haven't I?
Yes.
Mum's been at work.
With the girls. Hey girls, woo!
Moving on, I was just gonna say Mum got home and made a delicious dinner.
It's actually made me feel sick. Just call me Nigella.
I thought it was nice. Is it ravioli?
No, it's totally.
It was basically a triple cheese pasta. And do you want to know what I had for my lunch?
Riveting, but go on.
I don't want to tell you what I had for my lunch.
Please tell me what you had for your lunch. I'm
I
dying
had
to know.
halloumi.
Oh.
Fuming.
I've never kissed a man that tastes like your strawberries and something more. Oh yeah, I want it all. They say she's in the first 18. Something her daydream is when it's 18. Baby, sing it. When you want to see me, you want to see me. I'm in Manchester, see me.
So this was supposed to be the last day of the vlog. I was supposed to be going out with my friends for my best friend's birthday. Clearly, I'm not going. So after Ed Sheeran, it was so weird. I think that I started having an allergic reaction in the car. So my throat felt like it was swelling up, like I could feel the insides of my throat touching. My ear canals started swelling so I couldn't hear properly. I had tingles all over my mouth. I felt like my tongue was swelling. Got home, had my antihistamines, got up the next morning and the symptoms still hadn't gone. Long story short, I've got the illness that we've all hated for 2 years. So working in a hospital, I am obviously off work at the moment. I don't want to spread this to vulnerable people. I'm not going out with my friends because I don't want to spread it to them. I'm so gutted because I was so looking forward to going out for Lou's birthday. It's the 25th birthday and we've had it planned for so long now. Yeah, it's not ideal. So yeah, the vlog isn't ending in the way that I wanted it to, and obviously I have to miss out on my best friend's birthday. We've already said that we're going to go for a gorgeous breakfast or lunch at some stage. I hope that they have an amazing day. I'm so jealous. I'm going to finish the vlog now. I'm going to have a nice day of chilling out, having a bath, and just trying to get a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing week. If you're not already, please remember to like and subscribe. And I will hopefully see you when I'm feeling a bit better.